Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing good. Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest notification of the upcoming videos. Do watch and comment for the videos. So we started with profit and loss and we saw the basics of finding cost price, selling price, profit and loss percentage. We saw the concept wise and also the trick to solve it. So please do watch. Those who have missed it, I'll give the link in the description box so that you can watch that video and come for this video, because based on that only we'll solve all the problems. Okay, so watch it. And in this session we'll cover a problem where the cost price of an article is equal to the selling price of an article is given. Okay, so you will use that concept kind of problems throughout the session. We'll see how to find profit or loss percentage when this condition is given, and cost price when this condition is given, and selling price when this condition is given. So I'll try to explain all concepts. First, one question of everything I will solve. Others you try it by yourself and then cross check with my video. Okay, so that you will get used to it. Okay, we'll start with first problem. If a cost price of 12 articles is equal to selling price of 9 articles, find gain or loss percentage. So this is the concept we'll see throughout. That is, cost price of certain articles is equal to selling price of certain articles. Now we have to find profit percentage or loss percentage. From the question itself, we'll get to know whether it is profit or loss. See, cost price of 12 articles, that means I have bought 12 articles for some price, which is equal to selling price of 9 articles, which means within 9 articles of selling I got that price, which means you will get a profit percentage, right? Hope you understood. See, I am getting 12 articles for 100 rupees and I sold 9 articles within which I got 100 rupees, means you have got profit, right? That is what it means. So we have to find the profit percentage. Clearly from the question we know it is profit percentage. Now we'll find first. We'll try to solve the equation and then find the profit percentage. See, cost price of 12 is equal to selling price of 9. Just write it as equation form. Okay, which means CP into 12 is equal to SP into 9, right? So take CP and SP to one side. So CP by SP is equal to 9 by 12, right? So when you simplify, you get it as 3 by 4, which means cost price is equal to 3, then selling price is equal to 4. Right? So we have got cost price and selling price. Now we have to find profit percentage, right? In order to find profit percentage, first we have to find the profit. So profit is equal to selling price is 4 and cost price is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So we know profit is equal to 1. So we know profit, cost price, selling price. We have to find the profit percentage. See, think of the concept. For cost price of 3 rupees, we have profit of 1. We have to find it for 100, right? So how will we write 1 by 3 into 100? Or remember, profit by CP into 100. So profit is 1 by CP is 3 into 100, which you get as 33.33%. So I explained it very clearly. Next question, you try to solve it by yourself, okay? And check with my video. So with the next question, we'll see. If a cost price of 50 articles is equal to SP of 40 articles, find the gain or loss percentage. So we know it is profit percentage because within selling 40 articles, he got the money that he spent. Okay. So CP of 50 is equal to SP of 40. So CP by SP is nothing but 40 by 50, 0, 0 cancel. So 4 by 5, which means cost price is equal to 4 and selling price is equal to 5. We have to find profit percentage. So profit, first you find profit here is 5 minus 4, which is 1 rupee. So 1 for the cost price of 4 rupees. So for 100 into 100, which is 25%. Okay. Next question. If the cost price of 6 article is equal to selling price of 4 article, find the gain percent. So CP of 6 is equal to SP of 4. So CP by SP is equal to 4 by 6, which is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay. So here it is again profit percentage. So find the profit. 3 minus 2, which is 1 rupee is the profit. 1 out of the cost price, 2 rupees, right? So 1 by 2 for 100, which means 1 by 2 into 100, which is 50%. Okay. Next question. If the cost price of 20 articles is equal to selling price of 25 articles, what is the profit or loss percentage made by the merchant? See, here it is loss percentage, because after selling 25 articles he got the money that he spent for buying 20 articles, which means a loss percentage, right? So CP of 20 is equal to SP of 25. So CP by SP is equal to 25 by 20, and cancelling you get as 5 by 4. Okay. So here the loss is 1 rupee, which is CP minus SP, right? So we have to find the loss percentage. Loss percentage is nothing but loss by CP into 100. That is 1 by 5 into 100, which is 20% loss. So I hope you understood this concept. Next we will see the same concept, but the difference is, see the question. The cost price of X article is same as the selling price of 20 articles. Profit percentage is given. We have to find the value of X. So follow the same step till CP by SP. So CP of X is equal to SP of 20. So CP by SP is equal to 20 by X, right? Here CP is 20, SP is X, which is we don't know. We have to find the value of X. That is the question. Okay, they have given profit percentage is equal to 25%. So CP is 20, profit percentage is equal to 25%. We have to find SP. For this only I told you to watch the previous video, because when this condition is given, how we will find SP I have said you in the previous video. The same format we will use here. Okay, so if you have missed it, watch it and come here. Okay, so first find profit. How will we find profit? 25% of 20, which is nothing but 1 by 4 of 20, which is 5. So profit is equal to 5 rupees, and we know cost price is equal to 20 rupees. So how will we find SP? CP plus profit. So 20 plus 5, which is 25. We'll solve one more question. See, the cost price of X articles is same as the selling price of 40 articles. If the profit is 75%, then find the value of X. So CP of X is equal to SP of 40. So CP by SP is equal to 40 by X. So CP is equal to 40, SP is equal to X, that we have to find, and profit percentage is equal to 75%. So how will, first we have to find profit. How will we find? 75% of cost price, that is profit percentage of cost price. So 75% is nothing but 3 by 4 of 40, which you get as profit is equal to 30 rupees. So selling price is equal to 40 plus 30, that is cost price plus profit, which is 70. Selling price is nothing but X, so X value is 70. Hope you understood. The next question variety will be like this. The cost price of 10 articles is the same as selling price of X articles. Profit percentage is 30. Find the value of X. Previously we have seen cost price of X articles is equal to selling price of 10 or 20 articles. Profit percentage will be given. We have to find the value of X. Here it is vice versa. Okay. So follow the same steps till finding CP and SP. So CP of 10 is equal to SP of X. So CP by SP is equal to X by 10. So we have got SP is equal to 10, CP is equal to question mark, and profit percentage is equal to 30%. That is, when we have SP and profit percentage, how will we find CP? Watch the previous video. We'll follow the same step here. So first find profit. How will we find profit? Using profit percentage when we have to find CP. Okay. So profit percentage, convert it into fraction. 30 by 100, which is 3 by 10. Okay. Which means, what does this 3 by 10 means? 10 is nothing but the cost price. 3 is the profit. That is, for 10 out of 10 parts, 3 part is the profit. Okay. So there I have represented it as 3x and 10x. Here instead of x we have y. I will represent it as y because already our question is based on x, right? So we need not confuse that x and this x together. So I will represent it as y. So 3y and 10y. That is, 3y is profit and 10y is cost price. So selling price is nothing but 10 plus 3, which is 13y, right? So we already have in question selling price is equal to 10. So 13y is equal to 10. We'll equate like that. So y value get it as 10 by 13. So here our question is find value of x. X is here cost price, right? So cost price, how much it is? 10y. So 10 into 10 by 13, which is 100 by 13, which is nothing but 7.69. Okay, that is the answer. We'll have one more question. You try it by yourself. See, the cost price of 20 articles is the same as selling price of x articles. Profit percentage is 25%. Then find the value of x. So, CP of 20 is equal to SP of x. So, CP by SP is equal to x by 20. So, we have got SP value as 20. CP is equal to x that we have to find. And profit percentage is equal to 25%. So, from profit percentage, find profit by converting it into fraction. So 25% equivalent fraction is 1 by 4, right? So profit by, so what we got? 1 by 4, which means 4 is cost price and profit is 1. So will represent as 1y and 4y. So selling price would be 4 plus 1, which is 5y. 5y is equal to, they have given SP is equal to 20. So 5y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 4. Our aim is to find the value of x. X is nothing but the cost price. So 4 into x. 4 into the value we got y. So 4 into 4 is 16. So x is equal to 16. So the answer we got is 16. So I hope you clearly understood this concept. I have given 2 more questions which are quite related to this. You try solving by yourself and check the answer with it. Okay. So thank you for watching and keep watching. Thank you for the support given and keep supporting. So practice more questions. So definitely you can crack these questions very easily within seconds. So thank you.